Hi, I'm Henry. I'm 15 years old. I have always dreamt about becoming a professional basketball player, ever since I was a little boy. As you know, unlike other sports, basketball demands tall players. A basketball star must have outstanding height in addition to wonderful talent. However, I was just 5'8" last year, and with such modest height, I thought my dream would never come true. Although I was not a dwarf compared to my friends, my height seemed to be an obstacle. My dad is a tall American man, 6'3", but my mom is just 5'3", as she is an Asian woman. That's why I reckoned it was my mom's genetics that hindered my height. My parents thought the same as me. They blamed on inheritance and felt so desperate. However, I didn't give up. I tried to find how to increase my height from the internet and even asked for advice from my dietitians. Luckily, I discovered that height was not solely determined by genetics, and there were other possible ways to unleash my height potential during puberty. The secrets were all in a healthy lifestyle and proper nutritional supplementation. I remember the first, but also the hardest thing I did was jumping out of my warm bed to exercise every morning. It was really tough for me at first, but gradually, I started to become more active and healthier. I was more engaged in school activities and joined the basketball team to perfect my skills and get taller. Instead of sitting at home to play games, I went swimming more often with my friends from the team and had fun. I also went to bed before 11 p.m. to stimulate my growth hormone. I said goodbye to fast foods and soft drinks, drank more milk, and enjoyed healthy foods cooked by my mom. Another secret was recommended by my dietitian, Lucy. She introduced me to NuBest Tall, a height growth supplement that was combined and distilled based on the integrative formula between the Eastern and the Western medicine. NuBest Tall provided calcium, collagen, 7 precious herbs, and other essential nutrients to boost my height growth naturally. I trusted this product as it was scientifically formulated and developed by the U.S. medical doctors, manufactured in the United States in an FDA-registered facility and certified by HACCP and CGMP. Surprisingly, after 1 year of effort and patience, I've gained 3 more inches. My parents are very pleased, as this means I can get closer to my dream now. I will continue to take NuBest Tall until I reach the maximum height. With NuBest Tall, I strongly believe that becoming a basketball player is not a daydream, but a realistic goal I can certainly achieve one day. If you are unconfident about your short stature, let's change your life the way I did. The results must be so sweet for those who never stop trying. NuBest Tall, getting taller for a brighter future.